Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I bleach, tone, and shadow my roots. These are the supplies that I will be using in today's video. So wear a shirt you do not mind ruining because as you can tell, this is my bleaching shirt and the stains will never leave. So make sure you comb your hair thoroughly. Care and comfort is something that I use because I have a very sensitive scalp. So if I did not use this in my solution, my scalp would burn so bad. So I use it every time I bleach, tone, or shadow my roots. So now I'm just sectioning out my hair. I'm gonna do it in 4 sections. Of course, coffee. So yeah, I'm just gonna be applying the bleach all over, including the roots, all the way down to the tips. So once I am done bleaching, I just put a trash bag over my head and wait 20 minutes. I'm only waiting 20 minutes because my hair has been previously bleached. I waited 6 weeks to repeat the process, which is now. And here is my freshly washed hair, freshly washed from the bleach, and now I'm going to be applying the toner. Again, I'm going to section my hair in 4 sections. And again, once I finish with the toner, I'm just going to put a plastic bag over my head and wait 45 minutes for the toner to process. And now I am going to continue with my shadow roots. I did wash my hair and dry it. So the 6G, which is the color that I'm using for my roots, I'm only going to apply it to my roots. And I'm going to section it off in different sections as you're going to be seeing. So once all of my roots and the sections are covered, I am just going to wait 45 minutes and then wash my hair out. And this is the final look.